Good morning, guys. Well, no, not good morning. It's good afternoon. Sorry, guys. I've been out in the morning. Yeah, guys, I've got some Pringles for tomorrow. And cooking apples at the moment, and for apple crumble. I've done some good bargains today. Like, I'll show you in a minute. This is for my godson, not godson, grandson, my step grandson. Look, it's so cool that I've got him them. Plus, wait on, guys, it's going to be shaky, this one. And some little rubber duckies. Look cute, them. $1.99. So they're for my grandson. For Doug's grandson. So he would have bought some anyway. So, right, I'm going to introduce you. The new member of the family. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There he is, guys. There he is. That's my new budgie. He's called Snowy. Yes. Tweet. Tweet. Oh. I want some more food. You're both gannies. I'm going to have to put another blue. There he is. He's on the side there. He's just settling in. So they've both been checking each other out. So I think Chalky's a little bit more happier. And the camera's mucky. I'm going to have to clean this again. So yeah, done quite well today. Oh, by the way, guys, that film, The Snowman Men, is brilliant. It's very heartful story about this kid, but it's also got a meaningful motto in it, where the bully starts picking on him, but this bully starts making friends with this other guy, and they make friends in the end to help each other out. Basically, it's that story. So yeah, I've got all my shopping in there. What I've got today, I've got some crackers for the party. I've got some more crackers that I will be getting some. I know I'm crackers. And there's my special Christmas cards I've got. So I'm all sorted. Right, so speak to you guys later. Love you loads. Be cool, be happy. Stay tuned and stay strong. See you guys later. Love you loads. Bye, guys.